Welcome to Harun Mitre Geologist. Today we are exploring the fascinating world beneath our feet, where colorful rocks, sparkling minerals, and beautiful quartz crystals are hidden inside Earth. Rock hounding is like a treasure hunt in nature. Every stone has a story that began millions of years ago deep underground. As we walk through riverbeds, hills, and rocky landscapes, we search for unusual colors, crystal shapes, and shiny surfaces. Red, green. Rock hounding is one of the most exciting outdoor adventures because every step has the potential to reveal something amazing hidden beneath the surface. What looks like an ordinary stone can sometimes contain beautiful minerals, sparkling crystals, or fascinating geological history that formed millions of years ago. Every rock tells a story, and discovering that story is what makes rock hounding such a rewarding hobby. Nature has created an incredible variety of rocks through volcanic activity, mountain building, rivers, oceans, and countless years of weathering. As these natural forces shape the landscape, they also expose minerals and crystals that have been hidden underground for ages. Exploring these places allows us to connect with Earth's history in a unique and exciting way. Successful rock hounding begins with careful observation. Looking at the ground closely, checking stream beds, gravel banks, hillsides, and rocky outcrops often leads to interesting discoveries. A stone with unusual colors, shiny surfaces, interesting patterns, or unique textures is always worth a closer look. Even a small rock can hold surprising beauty inside. Many beginners are amazed when they split open a plain-looking rock and discover sparkling quartz crystals or colorful mineral formations. This is one of the greatest joys of rock hounding. Every trip brings the possibility of finding something completely unexpected, making each adventure different from the last. Learning to identify rocks and minerals becomes easier with experience. Quartz is one of the most common minerals found around the world. Jasper displays rich colors and beautiful patterns. Agate is known for its stunning bands and smooth appearance. Calcite, fluorite, pyrite, and amethyst each have their own unique characteristics that make them exciting discoveries for collectors. Using simple tools can make the search easier. A small geological hammer, safety glasses, a magnifying lens, and a sturdy backpack are often enough for most trips. Safety should always come first. Respect nature, avoid dangerous cliffs, and never damage protected areas while searching for specimens. Patience is one of the most valuable skills in rock hounding. Some days may produce only a few ordinary stones, while another day may reveal an incredible crystal or rare mineral. Every outing teaches something new about geology, landscapes, and the natural world. Rivers are excellent places for finding polished stones because flowing water naturally smooths and cleans the rocks over many years. Beaches, mountain trails, old quarries, where collecting is permitted, and desert landscapes can also provide excellent opportunities to discover interesting minerals and fossils. Cleaning collected specimens is another enjoyable part of the hobby. Washing away dirt often reveals colors and crystal formations that were completely hidden during collection. Some rocks become far more beautiful after a careful cleaning, showing details that were impossible to see in the field. Rock hounding is more than collecting stones. It encourages exploration, observation, and appreciation of Earth's incredible geological processes. Every specimen becomes a reminder of an adventure and a piece of natural history that has survived for millions of years. The more time spent outdoors, the better the chances of understanding how landscapes change and where valuable minerals are likely to be found. Experience helps collectors recognize promising locations and identify unusual rocks more quickly. Every adventure offers new lessons and unforgettable discoveries. Whether you find a sparkling quartz crystal, colorful agate, unique jasper, or simply enjoy the beauty of nature, rock hounding is always a rewarding experience that combines learning, exploration, and excitement. If you enjoy discovering hidden treasures beneath your feet and want to learn more about rocks, minerals, and crystals, be sure to like this video, share it with fellow rock lovers, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more amazing geological adventures. Have you ever picked up a strange rock while rock hounding and wondered where it came from? Most rocks formed deep within the Earth, but a very small number began an incredible journey in outer space. Imagine holding a rock that is older than our planet's mountains and has traveled millions of kilometers before finally landing on Earth. Today, we're exploring the fascinating connection between rock hounding, meteorites, asteroids, mining, and space geology. Asteroids are rocky bodies that orbit the Sun, with most found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. These ancient objects are leftovers from the birth of our solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. Over time, collisions between asteroids send fragments drifting through space. When one of these fragments enters Earth's atmosphere, it becomes a meteor. If part of it survives the fiery descent and reaches the ground, it is called a meteorite. That means some rocks found on Earth truly came from space. For rockhounds, discovering a genuine meteorite is one of the rarest and most exciting finds. Meteorites often contain iron and nickel, making them much heavier than ordinary rocks. Many have a dark fusion crust formed by intense heat as they pass through the atmosphere. Some are magnetic, while others reveal tiny metallic flakes when carefully cut and polished. However, not every heavy black rock is a meteorite. Slag, magnetite, basalt, and industrial materials can look surprisingly similar. This is why geologists rely on scientific testing, mineral analysis, density measurements, and laboratory examination before confirming that a rock has an extraterrestrial origin. Throughout history, asteroid impacts have changed the Earth forever. The famous Chicxulub impact in present-day Mexico is linked to the extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs. The enormous collision released tremendous energy, reshaped landscapes, and affected Earth's climate for years. Today, the impact crater remains one of the most important geological discoveries in the world. Another remarkable example is the Barringer meteor crater in Arizona, where a massive iron meteorite created a giant crater that still attracts geologists and visitors from around the world. Similar impact sites across different continents help scientists understand Earth's history and the powerful forces that have shaped its surface. Meteorites are also important because they preserve clues about the earliest solar system. Scientists study their minerals, metals, and crystal structures to learn how planets formed billions of years ago. Some meteorites contain rare minerals that were first discovered in space before being identified on Earth. Mining and geology also play a role in this story. The same scientific methods used to study minerals, gemstones, and ore deposits help researchers examine meteorites. Whether it's identifying iron, nickel, olivine, or other minerals, geology connects Earth's treasures with the rocks that arrive from space. As a rockhound, every field trip is an adventure. You might discover quartz crystals, agates, fossils, gemstones, or unique minerals hidden beneath the ground. Although finding a real meteorite is extremely rare, the possibility makes every search even more exciting. Every rock has a history, and sometimes that history stretches far beyond our planet. The next unusual rock you pick up could simply be another fascinating. You might be walking past some of the most valuable gemstones on Earth right now without even noticing them. Hidden in riverbeds, rocky outcrops, and gravel-strewn hills, nature's treasures wait for the curious, the patient, and the observant. Today, we're going on a hunt to uncover 10 gemstone families that are not just beautiful. They're actually findable in the wild, and some of them are surprisingly valuable. So grab your tools, open your eyes, and let's discover what lies hidden beneath the stones. One important group is the tourmaline family, the chameleon gem family. As you step carefully along granite pegmatites, scanning every crack and crevice, most people would see only ordinary rocks, but trained eyes can spot flashes of color hiding in the stone, maybe a pink glow that could be rubellite, or deep green shades, or even rare blue varieties. Tourmaline isn't just a single gem, it's an entire family of colors, including pink to deep red rubellite, highly sought-after indicolite, and other stunning varieties. Nature hides these treasures in plain sight. With patience and observation, you can uncover incredible gemstones right beneath your feet. You might be walking past some of the most valuable gemstones on Earth right now without even noticing them. Hidden in riverbeds, rocky outcrops, and gravel-strewn hills, nature's treasures wait for the curious, the patient, and the observant. Today, we're going on a hunt to uncover 10 gemstone families that are not just beautiful, they're actually findable in the wild, and some of them are surprisingly valuable. So grab your tools, open your eyes, and let's discover what lies hidden beneath the stones. One important group is the tourmaline family, the chameleon gem family. As you step